So the Packers are finally coming tomorrow. We're very excited. I'm a little nervous. Stress is high. I have a lot to do tonight. Today's Father's Day. We've had a good day. We went to a brewery and celebrated a little bit. One of my husband's favorite breweries in the DC area. But another thing we did this weekend to give my kids a little bit of closure, since they just left school one day and never came back. So this gave them a chance to see their friends one more time before moving. So we had rented a snow cone truck to come for an hour, park out front of our house, and I pushed it out on Facebook that we'll have a snow cone truck, and anyone who's available to come out, pop on by. It was really fun. It rained, but there were still some great friends that came out and said goodbye. So I definitely want to say thank you all for doing that. Hunter and Macy and myself and my husband really appreciated you coming out in the rain to say goodbye to us and have a tasty treat. So tomorrow's a big day and I have a lot to do tonight. You got a snow cone, Mace?
I don't really have a. I only have one flavor. I'm gonna. It doesn't taste.
I think you went with lime. You gotta wait your turn, Hunter. Wait your turn.
We'll get rained on in the back.
But, I mean, I tried those. How did you do the little sparkly?
Of course, it's me.
That's what I have on my...
Gallery wall is about to come down. Make sure when you take your gallery walls down, you are taking a picture of it first. So that way when you move into your next home, you'll be able to put it up with no problem because you already have the plan.